Hello, Jessica here from JR Media, and I'm your Facebook marketing coach. Have you ever heard of that old expression that you only get one chance at a first impression? Well, that's exactly what your business Facebook page is. It's your chance to make a strong first impression to a potential customer, stand out in their mind, and hopefully their newsfeed as well. Imagine just for a second that your Facebook page is a physical brick and mortar business, and posts on your page are products on the shelves. Would your business look new, shiny, and inviting to a potential customer, or would it look like an abandoned warehouse that no one wants to enter? Your Facebook page is a digital window into your business. So if you're looking like an abandoned warehouse, you could be missing out on potential business, and you can't afford to be left behind. So sign up to my free 3-part video series, and I'll take you through some of the essential Facebook business basics that every service-based business, no matter what the size, should have set up on their Facebook page. I'm going to show you how to confidently take full advantage of everything that Facebook has to offer without the stress, the overwhelm, or just that crazy, confused feeling. When you sign up over the next 3 days, I'll send you 3 how-to videos, which includes quick, easy, and achievable recommendations that you can implement on your own Facebook page right away. I'll also send you a checklist that will guide you through everything I've gone through so you don't miss a thing. To sign up, simply enter your email address and we'll get started. I look forward to seeing you in there.